Hi everyone, welcome back. I want to start this session by asking you one question. Thousands of aspirants enroll into courses for RBI Grade B every year, but only few among them are able to clear the exam. Why? And if your answer to this question is that, sir, since there are limited seats, therefore only few people will clear and not all, then this video is for you. सबसे जरूरी आपको है इस वीडियो की. See, when you plan to enroll into any of the courses, there would be a lot of questions in your mind. Is this the best course? Is this course self-sufficient? Is this course now something that will help me to achieve my goal, to achieve my target? The problem is not with the questions, rather the problem is with the mindset, which makes you believe that enrolling into the best course will eliminate all the problems. It's not like that. Yes, enrolling into course can help you save time, but ultimately you will have to spend time reading it, using it, learning from it. Content से कुछ नहीं होगा. You need intent. Intent is everything in life. Intent से कुछ भी हो सकता है. I'll give you an example. One of my students who was visually impaired could not clear RBI Grade B in first 2 attempts, but he was persistent with his efforts. In his third attempt, he kept calling me every week, describing me what he has done in the entire week, asking me is he on the target, requesting me the same thing, that he needs some software which can convert that PDF into voice which he can hear. I could not help him with the software, but he kept persisting, believing that it will happen someday. That is intent. That is pure intent. And the answer to that question, right, which I told you, that if you think that since there are limited seats, only few will be able to clear the exam, that again shows lack of intent, pure lack of intent. A person with intent think otherwise. कि ठीक है, सीट्स कम है तो क्या है, इसी कोर्स को पढ़कर अगर 100 बंदा निकला है, मैं क्यों नहीं? What they have done right, what I have done wrong, let me find it out, let me work on it, let me make sure that next time I clear the exam. That is what intent is. तो बार बार वही बात आपको समझनी पड़ेगी कि कंटेंट से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, इंटेंट से ही सब कुछ होने वाला है. और यू नीड टू वर्क विद लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क, लॉट ऑफ स्मार्ट वर्क. एक सच्ची शिद्दत से तैयारी करनी पड़ेगी. यू नीड क्लैरिटी इन लाइफ. The best example of not having clarity is when I see students giving 7 exams, 8 exams in a year without having proper planning. They're just being reactive. Another example of not having clarity is when you are being driven by the opinions of others. आपकी आंटी जी आई, उन्होंने बोला अरे ये एग्जाम क्यों दे रहे हो, ये वाला एग्जाम दो, and you accept that. So when you are being driven by opinions of others, rather being driven by your self-belief, your consciousness, again you are not having that clarity. See, the time that is given to you since birth is freely available to you. The choice is yours. How do you use it? You can say no, that I will procrastinate by telling yourself that मैं कल से पढ़ूंगा, अगले महीने से पढ़ूंगा, जॉब चेंज करके पढ़ूंगा, फैमिली इवेंट के बाद पढ़ूंगा. Or you can take control of your life. You can be in the driver's seat. There will always be an inner voice which would be telling you, Anchit, this is important. You must do it. Just listen to that voice. See, when you will be taking your last breath, you will always be asking this question to yourself. Have I done everything in life what I could have done? And if the answer to this question is no, that would be the biggest regret of your life. All you have is this moment right now. Find your intent, create your own story and learn to live your life with intent. और मुझे सारे लोग कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं that what you want the answer to this question in your life, that have you done everything in life what you could have done. What you want the answer to this question, do let me know by commenting in the comment section. And before I leave, I want to introduce you to this comprehensive guide for RBI manager. Right, so this is a comprehensive guide for RBI manager, which has everything in this guide for you to clear RBI Grade B exam. I will specifically talk about 3 things. It has detailed resources and book list. It has detailed syllabus for RBI Grade B exam, and it has also detailed PYQs, that is previous year questions, which you must read to understand as in how, what and when to prepare for RBI Grade B exam. तो इसमें आपको पूरा information मिलेगा, and the link to download this guidebook is freely available in the description of this video. So click on that link, download this guidebook today, and I'm sure कि आपको बहुत मोटिवेशन मिलना है ये गाइड बुक पढ़कर. और एक चीज बताना चाहूंगा, again, so we have this target RBI Grade B 2023 live crash course, right? So if you feel that you have that intent within you to still make it, again, it's about intent, not about the course. If you still feel it that you have that intent and you only need some push from outside to convert that intent into impact, then you can always think about joining this live crash course. One honest attempt is all I need from your side. We have one dedicated team which can help you in making that honest attempt through this one live course. और इस कोर्स को एनरोल करने का लिंक इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है. So that is all I have, and don't remember to comment in the comment section that what is your answer to that question. Have you done everything in life that you could have done? What actually do you want as answer to this question? Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Jai Hind.